Hey everyone, just a quick review of a Temu washer. I know. I saw this deal. It was for a washer. It was like $5. I was like, what the heck? I said, we got to check this out. As everyone who watches my videos knows, I go camping and hiking a lot and like to do a lot of camping. So I saw a $5 washer. I said, what is $5? Let's check this out. So I ordered it through Temu, and to my surprise, I expected it because I've ordered from like Wish and stuff in the past. It takes 2 weeks, a month. Basically, it takes so long for you to get your product that you forgot you even ordered it when you order it. Well, this took like around a week to get here, max. I was surprised when it showed up at my doorstep. It came well packaged, came with the instructions. Instructions were a little confusing at first. Um, Came with this little drainage tray, I believe for spinning, which, to be honest with you, I will never use. And I'll tell you why later on when I plug it in and everything. But it was very well packaged, and for $5, I'm gonna be honest with you, I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't have any expectations of this, so when it came in the mail, I was like, okay, let's check it out. It has a little carrying handle. It pops open. Only thing I can tell you about the rubber that they put around it that like expands it out. Keep it out of sunlight. I've had like a nice like little dishwashing bin, camping bin, all like that, and that rubber deteriorated, and I think it was mostly because it sat out in the sun a lot, and I didn't store it well. So just be mindful that this might be a better rubber plastic around it. Anyway, it expands out like that. So you put that in there for the drainage and stuff after you've done washing your clothes, stuff like that. I believe. Like I said, I'll never use it. To be honest with you, it has a cover that goes on top of it. Like I said, it felt pretty sturdy for what it was. You can see Max, he's checking it out too. There's a look at the power button and the display on it. Let's go around it real quick and check it out. That's with it fully expanded. Like I said, it was sturdy. You're not going to be washing jeans and stuff in this, so let's be real on that. I'd say a shirt, maybe some undergarments, socks, things like that. Basically, undergarments, things you like that. Pants are not going to fit. Shorts, maybe, depending on what type it is. So it says to add the detergent and the water in here. So add the detergent and the water in here. I just tested on one of a random dirty shirt I had. So I put a little bit of detergent in there, probably a little too much. I would probably guess, knowing me. Put in as much water as they said to put in there, and yeah, filled it up, and then took it inside to see about getting it to run, plug it in, and get it to run and everything for the first time. And fingers crossed, I was like, well, this even power on or anything where I'm, detonating my face. So turned it on, and it sort of shows a little blue light on the inside and starts moving around. So that was pretty cool to see, and it worked. I mean, it really did. So I disregarded the actual directions and added more water. By adding a little bit more water, it spinned better, and the motor did not sound like it was working as hard as it was before, where it didn't seem like it just didn't have enough water. And also, the entire garment got wet and everything like that. So I really did like that. I'm gonna stop talking and let you listen to actually what it sounds like when it's working with the water in it in comparison to what it sounded like when I did not add the water. As you can see, it didn't sound like it was working as hard with a little bit more water added to it. This is how you drain. It has a little drain plug on the side. Unhook it. I believe I had it plugged in and it was spinning. I let it spin while it was draining. My spouse was laughing because she said you got a $5 washer. But anyway, you did that. And then what I did was, while it's spinning and the water's coming out, I added a little bit more water while it's spinning, and to drain, to drain it and do kind of like a rinse cycle in a way. And then I took it and squeezed it out by hand and hung it up. And I wore the shirt a couple days later to mow my lawn, and it smelled fine. It smelled fresh. It's not going to get as clean as, say, like my other one, but it did a darn good job for $5. Would I recommend this? That's your choice, whether you want this or not. But honestly, it's going to go in my camper. I could use it for stuff, undergarments, things like that. Heck, doesn't take that much water like that, and it takes very little energy. It worked well. If I get a year out of it, great. If it lasts a few years, well, I only paid $5 for the darn thing, so I haven't lost any money on it. Once again, this is a Temu. Don't know the brand. I don't think the brand really matters. I just had to put this on here as anyone's never ordered from Temu and is wondering, because this is the first time I ordered from them. And like I said, it came within a week. It worked. How much time I get out of it, I don't know, but it's going in my camper for now. And to be honest with you, if it does break, it'd be great for washing your dishes or something in. It has a drain plug on the side, and it can work as that if something was to happen to it. So after I did it, like I said, I squeezed it out. Make sure you keep the clothes small. Like I said, a shirt, you saw the size that what the shirt looked like in that small little washer, but it worked. Hey, I can't complain. I honestly can't wait to take it. I'm more excited about this $5 thing to take it on my camping trips and stick it in my camper to use. Anyway, if I can find links, I'll put links in it too. But if not, anyway, go on Timo and look this one up. You got a picture of it. Do I recommend it? No. Do I not recommend it? No. I'm just saying. I just want to put this on there for people that are interested in Timo and are just curious what kind of products you got. But what I got, I was pleasantly surprised. It works. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day.